This is Dr. Vaishali and I am reading from the book Substance of Homeopathy, book written by Dr. Rajan Sankaran, chapter number 29, period 5, second line of matter. Medicine is sternum. When we go 3 metal away from the argentinum, this is the teen, sternum metallicum. We have a very similar theme here. Sternum metallicum is very sensitive to what others say about her, which is mentioned in the Fata Materia Medica. And on the other hand, we have a tenacity and dislike to society. In sternum, we have on the one hand the rubric activity fruitless, desire for busy fruitlessly, which shows that he needs to keep moving, he needs to be busy and he needs to be occupied. While on the other we have rubric are business aversion to and extreme weakness, so that the patient is unable to even talk. Sternum also has symptom worse from using the voice, just like argentinum metallicum. So we can see and understand that sternum is the performer, especially in the business, in talking and moving, in activity, and also has to be very cautious of the reputation of his of with other people. I remember a very nice case of the businessman, age of 50 years, who came with the chief complaint of leukoderma. And these spots were found on the back of his right hand and on his eyelid and some other parts of the body. This person was a good businessman and was quite successful in his business. But he was extremely sensitive about these white spots and what other would think about them. He was so sensitive about these spots that he would keep the spots on the back of the back of the hand covered with the small plaster and tell people that he had an injury on the hand. He used to spend as much as half an hour in front of the mirror looking at the spots on his face and hands, and would remain inside the house for months together and not mix in the society for fear of these spots being noticed and his impression or reputation getting spoiled. This man did well on the sternum. Not only did his white spot diminish, his attitude of mind changed and he become now relaxed. Earlier, was quite reserved. He was quite reserved and would not go out of the house, would not talk to others except for the business. After taking sternum, he could move and mix in the society. What I understood from this case is the sternum is the person who need to perform, who needs to do business, needs to be very sensitive about his reputation and impression with other people. That is, his whole survival depends on high performance and creating a good impression.